Hello friends, how are you? Hope you're doing well and welcome back to my channel Edutainment. So here I'm going to talk about WhatsApp Meta AI. So the first question is what is Meta AI and what is the use of it? So here I'm going to show you each and every details about WhatsApp Meta AI, so the use of the benefits of WhatsApp Meta AI. So let's begin. Let's start. I clicked on WhatsApp. Let me open this. So now you can see Meta AI option is here. Let me show you through the cursor. So you can check here. Yeah, this is the Meta AI. Okay, you can see now. So I clicked on it. Now you can see here. You can see ask Meta AI anything. So whatever question you are having in your mind, you'll get out from here. You'll get the solution, you get the answer, you get the solution here from here. You can see I am just scrolling here. The slides are here. For example, let me show you eco DIY home decor ideas. If you want to decor your home, then you can get decor ideas from here. You could write anything about the decoration, and also you can ask the plant based cheese tips. And also you can search for hotels for beach lovers. Can you sleep in space? You can ask the question. Let's ask this question. Let's ask. Now answer is preparing. Now the image is showing here. Yes, you can sleep in space. You can get the picture. Let's ask another question again. For example, I want to search something about yoga. So if you are searching a particular yoga asana, then you can search it from here. So here let me type here anulom vilom. So what is the benefits of anulom vilom? Yes, so here it is written here anulom vilom, also known as alternate nostril breathing, is a yogic breathing technique that offers numerous benefits. Here are some of the advantages of practicing Anulom Vilom, which is called nostril breathing. First one is balances breathing, harmonize the left and right nostrils, promoting balanced breathing. So here are total 10 points written here, and in last it is concluded by remember to practice anulom vilom, means nostril breathing, under the guidance of a qualified yoga instructor or healthcare professional, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. If you want to find the picture of it, you can find it. You can find any picture. Even you can ask Meta AI accumulated picture. So you can ask anything. Whatever you are asking, you'll get the answer. So let me ask Anulom Vilom picture, and in English it is called nostril breathing. The spelling is incorrect, so it is asking, "Oops, I can't generate that image." I typed here nostril breathing image. Now you can see, you can find the answer. I hope you get it. For example, if I'm asking if you are Bollywood, I mean Bollywood or Hollywood lover, you can ask the question to Meta AI that I want Bollywood and Hollywood actors image. So you can ask for combined images. Meta AI will give you. See, some of them are from Bollywood and some of them from Hollywood. And also, if I type here animals, big and small animals on the green field, you'll get the image as well. So whatever image you are asking for, you'll get it. See, small and bigger are there. So if you want to like whatever choices you are having, you can type here and you can get it. So here I just wanted to show you each and every features of this. So basically you can find out anything like Google, like you whatever you type in Google, you get the answer. But here this is the advanced version of it, you can say, because obviously it is the name of this is Meta AI. You get pictures as well, not the answers of the question, but also if you want to get the pictures, if you want to modify picture, if you want to uh, for example, you are imagining anything, you get it. The sweet home beside the pond is here, you can see.